So we start off the movie with these people enjoying a nice friendly game, just watching the kids, normal activities.
What do you mean by that?
But while all that is happening, everybody starts to look up and oh no! So after 5 seconds of people just staring at it, they finally get to their senses and start to move out of there. So while the dad and the daughter are straight going to their truck, these civilians are still looking like, dog, what is there to see? Move! Guys, look, a meteor. Let's take a photo of it.
Are you dumb?
Pardon me?
Are you dumb?
I think she's
I
dumb.
think she's dumb.
I think she's done.
They finally get in the truck, but before they leave, my boy spots a police officer, gets out and starts to talk to my brother. But while they're talking, oh, blocked by James.
Can you shut up?
What did gang do? Like, it's kind of crazy how out of all of these people, this thing literally targeted the black man's vehicle. I'm just saying, bro. And my man's moved with a quickness. He said,
fuck this shit, I'm out.
He gets in the vehicle and tries to start the car, but while that is happening, we cut to the mom out here comforting her kids. But while she stops,
What the fuck? No!
bruh, I'm not gonna lie, back for back jump scares? Like, bro, this movie pig. I might have to go to the studio and ask who made this burger, dog. I know y'all hear me.
Jason, you killing it, man.
She manages to swerve away from the monster and just started to drive crazy. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna need y'all to say W mom in the comments. She out here talking about some it's okay, trying to comfort the baby. I'm not gonna lie.
How are you that fine?
But when this bus comes towards them, she hit the mean reverse. And being able to reverse like this while your kids are straight yelling is insane. I'm not gonna lie, if it were me, I would have hit him with the...
Can you shut up?
But the dad and daughter see this and they get out the car to go help the fam out. I'm not gonna lie, noble thing to do, but hey, come on, bro. Did you not see what just happened? And for y'all to understand what I mean, the dad grabs her and oh my goodness, he hit him with the I like your cut, G. And for y'all who don't understand yet, this is basically like the movie that I covered last time, but a bunch of y'all wanted me to cover this one because this is basically the original, A Quiet Place, where you have to be silent to survive. And when I check the comments, some of y'all talking about some come on, man, all I have to do is sit in my corner and be a good little child and be quiet, right? One sneeze, fart, or cough, you're getting dunked on. Stop playing. But back to the movie, they run into this store and everybody tries their best to be quiet. But while they're crawling back, we just hear this lady on the phone like, shut up. And we get to the point into the movie where I'm like, you know what, bruh? I would rather take the monsters from the last movie than this. Because just listen to this. You mean to tell me you want me to be dead silent and the monster is making this type of noise? Like, damn, bro, it's not even fair. And just like the last movie, the daughter is deaf, if y'all didn't know. But back to it. Instead of me explaining, I'ma just play the clip because, bruh, come on.
Is this nigga serious?
You idiot! You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Bro, why? Why? But to be fair, they do not know that noise is what attracts these things. So I'ma give you that. But bruv, who's calling? Mom, why are you calling me? It jumps in and just started going crazy, just swiping and smashing into people. And the dad and daughter managed to escape for the back door, but it's not that easy. Cause this thing is just chasing them down. Look!
Just go to the office.
What did I do?
Bro, just go.
What did I do?
My black brother from earlier manages to get up and just started to shoot at it. Oh, my dog.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
But that, my friends, was merely the flashback. The movie hasn't even started for real. Because when we go to the present, we see the mom, son, and daughter, and they have a... Now, I know some of y'all are gonna look at me like I'm crazy. Like, yo, why would you kill a baby? I think the better question is, why would it...
Weird, buddy. You're weird.
But you know what? I'm gonna just skip most of this because the plot, and more plot. So, yeah. We cut to this part where my boy got his foot stuck in a bear trap. And remember when I said, wow, wouldn't I just, the baby? But But I'm the bad guy, right? I'm the bad guy. I'm the one who wants to survive. You know, baby girl, you know, we can have another one. Like what LeBron say? Here go two more for y'all. But meanwhile, one of these things starts to go after them, but the daughter puts up this radio and just started to play some high frequencies, but the mother got the shotty and pop! Right in the head. But hey, that made noise, so they got a skadoodle. But while they're running, my boy over here stops them and tells them to hush hush because one of them is on the war. So while they quietly run away, my dog over here is carrying the son. But we don't even know you guys. And even while they're trying to run as quietly as possible, this thing is still after them like, dang, you don't have anything else better to do? But they managed to escape just in the nick of time, and my boy puts them in his safe. Don't ask questions. But yeah, I gotta skip over some more of this because plot, and more plot. Lots of plot.
Bitch, you got me fucked up. You can suck my left nut.
But for some reason, the daughter is alone. And while she's in this train, one of these things starts to slowly call up to her, but she puts up the radio, making my man's tweak.
Brother,
But even with that, it starts to crawl right towards her, but she tries to load up the gun, but it gets stuck, but she gets saved. And they start to hide in this shop, but hey, they start to talk and yap and yap. There's a lot of plot in this movie. Guys, it's peak, go watch it. But when we fast forward some more time into the movie, they done trapped my boy and then holding the girl hostage. I honestly, for the love of me, I rewatched this scene so many times. I still don't understand what was happening here. Y'all can comment. I'm a slow person, to be honest. But hey, did you subscribe? They take off her bags and put down her radio and start to take her away. Please don't let it be what I'm thinking. But while they're taking her away, my boy signals to her to dive. He runs over to him and she dives in the water and starts to choke my man, holding him hostage. But the real plan was to make a whole bunch of noise just to lure the monsters towards them. Smart plan, I'm not gonna hold you. But while this thing is just straight killing everybody, my boy chokes this man on a pole, holding him there, stabbing him in the leg just for him to scream, and this thing just slicing him. But while my boy was trying to swim away, one of these things dive in the water, and oh nah, it can't swim. New information, guys. And with that, they get on a boat and head towards the island they were trying to get to this whole time. I'm sorry if I didn't say that in the beginning. And they get to and just see a whole civilization of people just living, talking, having fun, making a whole bunch of noise with no care in the world because, hey, like we just learned, these things can't swim. So there is absolutely no possible way for these things to even get here.
Alright, listen to me. I have to get back to my family. You idiot. You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with you. But your ego is pissing me off.
Hey, Mom.
What? Hey.
My dad sleep?
Yeah, he's asleep. What's up?
I want to tell you something.
What?
And there's this boy in my class. He likes me. I thought you were asleep.
What she just say?
She said there was a boy and that liked her.
I know I heard that. I knew for a fact I heard boy liking you.
You was just asleep.
I'm up now. What y'all talking about?
You was just asleep.
And what grade this boy in?
Second.
Yeah, he older. We need to call the law. We need to call the police right now.
On a second grade?
He's a grown man.
It's probably a harmless little cruise.
A harmless little... Do you know what that turned into?
Oh my God.
Call the laws.
On a child?
Oh, don't y'all have a field trip coming up?
Yes.
And we said we weren't volunteering, huh?
Nope.
Man, you need to call them tomorrow in the morning, ASAP.
And what I'm gonna say?
That we volunteering. And what's his little boy name?
Royce.
Who?
Royce.
Where the hell that come from?
Second grade?
Yes.
He going to jail. Call the laws.